Hello guys, welcome to my Advent Tech channel. I'm going to show in this video how to fix error 0x80070043. The network name was not found. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are facing the error 0x80070043, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you just need to click on start menu, then type here gp edit and hit. Just maximize the screen and expand this also. In this you can see here administrative templates, double click and expand. After that, double click on the system, scroll down a little bit, you can see here log on, double click on that, come to the right section. This you can see here always wait for the network at computer startup and log on, double click on that and you need to select as enable, then click on apply, then click OK and close this window. The second method is just press Windows plus R key. Here you need to type %temp% and hit enter. To select all the files and delete it, click on this option, click on continue. All these are temporary files. Skip and close this window. Some of the files may not be deleted because that file are in use, so we can't delete that file. After doing this, you should restart your laptop or desktop. After restarting still you are facing the issue, then you just need to open cmd command prompt, just right click on that, click on run as administrator, click on yes. Here you need to copy paste the command one by one. Press Ctrl plus V key to paste and hit enter. It will take some time. After completion of that, copy the second command. Press Ctrl plus V key to paste. Copy the third command. Ctrl P to paste. Like this, you need to copy fourth command also. Right click, copy. After completion of this, just paste and hit enter. After completion of this, all these four commands, you just need to restart your laptop or desktop. After restarting, hope your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix error 0x80070043. The network name was not found. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.